Hello everyone. Welcome to TechMaster YouTube channel. I'm passionate about technology and I love sharing my knowledge with others. I hope you'll enjoy my videos and learn something new. So subscribe and join us on our journey into the world of tech. Now let's go to this video. The iPhone 15 is Apple's next generation flagship smartphone, and it is expected to be released in September 2023. There have been a number of leaks and rumors about the iPhone 15, and we now have a pretty good idea of what to expect. The iPhone 15 is expected to have a similar design to the iPhone 14, with a flat edge design and a notch on the front. However, there are a few key differences. The iPhone 15 is expected to be slightly thicker, and it is rumored to have a titanium frame. The camera bump is also expected to be larger, and it is rumored to house a new periscope lens for improved zoom capabilities. Display: the iPhone 15 is expected to have a 6.1-inch OLED display on the standard model, and a 6.7-inch OLED display on the Pro model. Both displays are expected to have a 120 Hz refresh rate, which will make them smoother and more responsive. The Pro models are also rumored to have a new LTPO display technology, which will allow them to vary the refresh rate depending on the content being displayed, which can save battery life. Processor: the iPhone 15 is expected to be powered by the A17 Bionic chip, which is Apple's next-generation mobile processor. The A17 Bionic chip is rumored to be based on a 3nm process, which will make it more powerful and efficient than the A16 Bionic chip in the iPhone 14. Camera: the iPhone 15 is expected to have a triple-lens rear camera system, with a 4.8MP wide-angle lens, a 1.2MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a new 12-megapixels telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The Pro models are also rumored to have a new periscope lens with 6x optical zoom. Battery: the iPhone 15 is expected to have a larger battery than the iPhone 14, which should improve battery life. The Pro models are also rumored to have a new battery technology that will allow them to charge faster. Software: the iPhone 15 will come with iOS 16, which is the next major version of Apple's mobile operating system. iOS 16 is rumored to have a number of new features, including a redesigned lock screen, new multitasking features, and improved privacy controls. Price: the iPhone 15 is expected to start at $799 for the standard model, and $899 for the Pro model. The Pro Max model is expected to start at $999. Availability: the iPhone 15 is expected to be released in September 2023. However, there have been some reports that the launch may be delayed until October due to supply chain issues. Conclusion: the iPhone 15 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over the iPhone 14. It has a new design, a faster processor, a better camera system, and a larger battery. The iPhone 15 is also expected to come with iOS 16, which will have a number of new features. If you are looking for a new smartphone in 2023, the iPhone 15 is definitely worth considering. It is a powerful and versatile device that offers a great user experience. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching.